beloved teacher, fellow students, and friends. Welcome to our Japanese Gabuke Team event today. We invite you to join us an unforgettable journey into the world of Gabuke, a unique and mesmerizing art from the heart that has stood the test of time in Japan for over 400 years. Gabuke is more than just a performance. It is a vibrant celebration of Japanese culture, blending drama, dance, and music into a visual spectacle. With its colorful costumes, dramatic expressions, and exaggerated movements, Gabuke tells stories of love, honor, betrayal, and redemption, universal themes that resonate across generations. Today, we hope to bring this timeless tradition to life and immerse you in the elegance and mystery of Gabuke theater. Before we begin, let us first seek guidance and blessings for the Almighty. May this event fill with joy, appreciation, and cultural understanding. Let us all stand as we start a solemn prayer. So let us hear to the solemn song. And now, the moment we bring all the highlight of today's event, our very own Gabuke performance. Gabuke is the center of imagination and wonder, where stories are told not just in words but with vivid expression, grand gestures, and powerful emotions. Today, we will present to you a tale of love, betrayal, and redemption, an epic story brought to life by our passionate performance. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be transported to the enchanting world of Gabuke. Enjoy the show. Let's give performers a little big round of applause for an incredible performance. Their dedication and passion have fully captured the essence of Gabuke theater. As we conclude today's event, may this experience inspire us all to appreciate the beauty of diverse cultures and continue to explore the wonders of the world. Let the spirit of Gabuke remind us of the power of our little land, express, and tell an incredible story.
Lakpakan!
Lakpak!
Lang.